Today we are going to discuss some problems in Fourier series having points of discontinuity. Having points of discontinuity. So, points of discontinuity. So first we will discuss one problem. So what is that one is expand f of x is equal to 1 0 less than x less than pi and 0 pi less than x less than 2 pi. We have to expand it as a Fourier series. As a Fourier series we have to expand. Okay. So first step is what? F of x is equal to a naught by 2 plus sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity a n cos nx plus sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity b n sin nx. Okay, what is the formula for a naught? A naught is equal to 1 by pi integral 0 to starting with 0 and with 2 pi. So this is the main problem what he has given. Okay, so 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi f of x dx, but this integral you can split into sum of the two integrals as 1 by pi into integral 0 to pi f of x dx plus integral pi to 2 pi f of x dx. Okay, so again this you can write as 1 by pi into, for integral 0 to pi what is the f of x value? 1. So 1 dx plus for integral pi to 2 pi what is the f of x value? It is 0. 0 into dx. Okay, so that is nothing but 1 by pi into integral 0 to pi 1 dx. So integration of 1 is x between the limits 0 to pi. So that is equal to pi into pi minus 0, sorry 1 by pi into pi minus 0, you will get it. So pi divided by pi, so you left with 1. So a naught value is equal to, you got it as 1. So next one an formula. An is equal to, what is the formula? 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi again f of x into cos nx dx. So that is equal to 1 by pi into this integral 0 to 2 pi, you can write it as sum of the two integrals. Integral 0 to pi f of x cos nx dx plus integral pi to 2 pi f of x cos nx dx, that is equal to 1 by pi into integral 0 to pi, f of x value is how much? 1 for integral 0 to pi, therefore cos nx dx we left with. So here integral pi to 2 pi f of x dx means for integral pi to 2 pi f of x value is how much? F of x value is 0. So 0 into cos nx dx. So this is nothing but 1 by pi into so anyway this will vanish in 0 into something, integral 0 to pi into cos nx integration. Cos nx integration is sin nx by n between the limits 0 to pi. So that is equal to 1 by pi into 1 by n pi into 1 by n pi into, now you substitute pi upper limit, sin n pi 0 minus sin 0 0. So a n value how much you are going to get it as? A n is equal to 0 you are going to get. So a n is equal to 0, a naught is equal to 1, a naught is equal to 1, a n is equal to 0. Okay, next we are going to find out the value of bn. So Bn is equal to, what is the formula? Bn is equal to 1 by pi integral 0 to 2 pi f of x into sin nx dx. That is equal to 1 by pi into this integral you can write as 0 to pi f of x into sin nx dx plus integral pi to 2 pi f of x into sin nx dx. Okay, for integral 0 to pi, what is the function value? Is 1. Therefore integral 0 to pi sin nx dx we left with, plus integral pi to 2 pi, what is the function value? 0. Therefore integral pi to 2 pi into here 0 into sin nx dx we left with. Therefore this value enter 1 is 0, so that is nothing but 1 by pi into, so integration of sin nx is minus cos nx by n between the limits 0 to pi. So that is equal to 1 by pi into minus 1 by pi into cos minus 1 by n pi into cos n pi minus cos 0. So that is equal to minus 1 by n pi into cos n pi is equal to minus 1 whole power n minus 1 minus 1. So this you can write as 1 by n pi into 1 minus 1 whole power n, 1 minus 1 whole power n. So this is the bn value, this is the bn value. So bn is equal to, so if you substitute, if n is even, let us consider if n is even, so what happens? Let us consider n is equal to 2. So what happens here? It is plus 1, 1 minus 1 0. Therefore n is even, bn value is 0. So if n is odd, if n is odd, what happens? N is odd, minus 1 whole power 1, that means 1 plus 1, 2 by n pi, 2 by n pi, you are going to get 2 by n pi. So bn is equal to 0 when n is even, bn is equal to 2 by n pi when n is odd. So all the values you substitute in f of x is equal to a0 by 2 plus sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity a n cos nx plus sigma n is equal to 1 to infinity bn sin nx. Okay, you will get the Fourier series expansion. Okay, thank you.